What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to do a red dragon fruit ice cream roll, and I normally don't show my face or my body or talk, so this is not going to be an ASMR video. My friend, my YouTuber buddy Rajan, is filming me today, and we're just going to see how it goes. So let's go ahead and cut this dragon fruit. I got a bee right by my arm and I'm trying not to freak out. Alright. So we'll take this. We're going to make an ice cream roll out of it. And in this, guys, this is not going to work because the bee flew on that. So these are real things that we're dealing with outside. So in here we have cream and condensed milk. It's 3 cups to 1 can of condensed milk. All right.
You are now very perfect in doing this.
What's that?
You are very perfect now.
Oh, thank you, thank you. All I did, guys, was watch videos too. That's how I learned it. You can learn pretty much anything on YouTube, it seems like, these days. And we use a lot of different ingredients. We've used, I think, 82 or 83 different ingredients. We used red dragon before. We've used a mango, watermelon, some candy bars, and we've done a cheeseburger and stuff like that. But, don't recommend doing those.
Which one was your favorite and which one is the worst experience?
I'm gonna have to say my favorite one was done with a Hostess, old-fashioned Hostess donut.
Really?
I think that was my best one. And the worst one would be, I think it's the pizza. The pizza one was pretty bad. If you guys actually watch it to the end on the pizza one, I almost threw up. It was pretty bad. I mean, what would you guys rather me do? You guys rather me whisper, or would you guys rather me just talk and show something like this? And sometimes stuff with the fruits and energy drinks and stuff, they have a lot of water, it seems like, in it.
Yeah.
So it takes a little bit longer for it
Yeah.
to freeze a little bit. But let's see if we can start smoothing this out. about there. This is the first time I've actually used this machine outside. And it seems to be doing okay. Mostly I do it inside.
It is outside, that's why it's taking more time.
That, and it has a little bit of water in it from, I think, the fruit.
Oh,
That's what I'm from my experience, but I think it's because it's that and it's a little warm out here. But it'll work.
did you make this?
Yeah,
What is it?
it's just cream and condensed milk.
Okay.
I want to cheat a little bit though. YouTuber gonna cheat and take some of this out to help out a little bit. I think that'll work.
When I was like in 7th grade, 6th grade, in front of our house, there was 2 trees of this.
Oh.
This case, yeah.
Nice.
That's awesome.
It's a pretty flower.
Yeah.
Very pretty.
And now they make it edible. It's just, and you ate it
So
just
you-
like it was,
Just
huh?
like this, just put it and eat it,
Just pull it and
Yeah.
eat it. Was it a flowery taste?
It's like sour and sweet.
Mm-hmm. They said it kind of has a cranberry
Yeah.
note.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Try it.
So this cost you $350.
Yeah.
So you make the video how long? Like
7 to 10 minutes. I try to keep them under 10 minutes. So if you guys have ever wondered what I look like, I'll show a clip if you can't see it on film. This one is taking a bit of time. Okay. Right. I think I had a little bit too much dragon fruit and a little bit too much cream. So we'll go ahead and give this a cut.
Is it ready?
It is ready.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Oh wow.
And Rajan, you must be my lucky charm because I don't normally get them to roll like that.
Yeah, I know. I see the videos.
Wow.
So you always use the same syrup?
Yes. Uh-oh, this one's not working out.
Yeah.
But it'll be all right. Okay. So grab a cup. I hope you like this one, Rajan.
This is whipped cream.
Yes, sir. A little bit of that. Just put a little chocolate. Well, I won't be trying this one, but Rajan will be. I hope. Well, you guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. You guys have a great one.